So without going into too much theory about storytelling, narrative structure and all of that, what is going to help you tremendously when you're making your holiday videos is to have a sense of the story that you're going to tell. And stories have a number of things, but the really important things are every story has a hero or heroes. Every story normally has some kind of so-called antagonist, in other words, the thing that's resisting the hero from getting something done. And stories have action, of course, so they have subjects, that's your heroes, plus the action that they're going to go through. And stories also have a beginning, a middle, and an end. So what's going to help you a little bit before you set out on your vacation or your trip in terms of the film or video you're going to make is thinking about what story is likely to unfold, or what story would I like to tell through the course of this film or video. So for example, if you're going off on a canoeing expedition and you're, say, going up some rapids or something like that, and that's the challenge that you're setting yourself for that trip or that holiday, then it would make really good sense to think in terms of, yourselves as the heroes, or the people inside the canoes as the heroes, the rapids as the antagonist. It's the thing that you're fighting in order to achieve finally what you want to achieve at the end of the trip. And to be thinking in terms of a beginning, middle and end. So in other words, the beginning could be all the preparation staff talking with each other about the challenge you're about to undergo, those last minute nervous preparations before you actually set up off the rapids. And then you might use something like a GoPro camera or whatever it is, a ruggedized and waterproof GoPro, for example, would be ideal to actually film yourself going up the rapids. And that's the meat of your story. That's the middle ground. It's the midpoint of your story prior to the resolution of the story, which is successful accomplishment and achieving what you're all trying to achieve.